Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing of a journal spot. So this is a really simple video. This is going to be for our Disneyland closed, so sad, page kit number 106. You can find the link to purchase this kit in the description below. And what I'm going to do is, this is just a little journal spot because I did make a page kit of Disneyland being closed. So sad, we're all dying to go, but we want to wait until it's safe to go. But I wanted to document this for my daughter. She is almost 3. I don't know how much of this she'll actually remember of what's going on, but I'd like to have, you know, some kind of documentation of what we did during this time. And I've taken photos every day of our daily activities. And so this is just another one of those pages to show kind of what's going on in the world. And before I start crying, I better just continue on with this video. So I am going to be using the Zig Writer with the thin tip. So this pen comes with a thicker tip as well, and you can use any pen, or you don't even have to use a pen. If you don't want to use this for a journal spot, you can use it for a photo. I just felt that this page really needed a journal spot. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the lines first, and I don't want to get this on my beautiful backdrop, so let me grab, just use the back of this paper. And you can use a stamp, actually. If you have a stamp or a stencil of lines, you can do that, which is probably what I should be using right now, but I did not think of that before I started recording. So I'm just gonna wing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm gonna actually make my lines squiggly because I know they're not gonna come out perfectly straight if I try, or even. So what I'm going to do is, I probably shouldn't do this on white because I really can't. It doesn't matter. Let's go. Okay, so I am going to just start right up here, and I'm just going to make a little squiggly line, not so perfect, trying to keep it somewhat even, but yeah, it's not gonna be exactly perfect, but that's why it's handmade. That's kind of the beauty of it. And that's it. And I could have done some little doodle work too. Maybe that would have been fun. Oh well. I still have time to change it before I glue it down to my page. But anyway, so that's it. That's what I did. If you have any other fun journaling ideas, suggestions, things that you like to do in your books for decorative journaling spots, I would love to hear them. Please post a comment below. And the reason I did the lines before I glued it to my mouse ears was because I knew there's no way they would be straight. So this way I can kind of keep it, I can hopefully put it somewhat straight since it's already drawn on, if that makes any sense. I'm using my Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive with the metal tip, my favorite glue to use when I am paper piecing or pretty much doing anything. I love that glue. And you can find that in my shop as well. If it's not there, I'm just sold out, and you can always message me through my shop and I will let you know when it will be back in. But that is hard to keep in stock. It is seriously the best glue. Okay, that was so easy. So there's my little journal spot, super cute. And I do like that it's, you know, non-perfect squiggle hands, because I could say, you know, I made those lines. That's sentimental too. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's what makes it unique. And so that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. Very quick video today. Please click the like button if you like this video. Please click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and click that bell for notifications. You will get notifications on your phone, hopefully, every time I post a new video. I will be doing them as often as possible. I'd like to do a video every single day, but having a 2-year-old, it just doesn't always work out that way. So Thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day.